What's up? It's Kyle from Ante Supply. Today I'm going to show you how to press the JetPro Soft Stretch Neenah paper. I printed a picture of my bulldog and I'm going to press it to a white shirt. The light JetPro Soft Stretch is really only should be used for a white shirt. If you have a dark garment, you can use the 3G Jet Opaque paper, but in this video I'm going to show you how to use the light printable. So with the light printable, you want to print your image mirrored, which I did here, and then you just flip it over and press it. You need to press it at 375 degrees for 30 seconds with medium firm pressure. So I'm going to go ahead and press this. Alright, so after you press the light printable JetPro, you want to let it cool down for about a minute. I'm just going to throw it on the table here. Adjust this real quick. Maybe. So you guys can see that. I have it on the table. It's cooling down for a couple seconds. Put it on the table here. Now when you remove the paper, you want to make sure once you start it, you peel it off in a quick motion across. If you hesitate, it tends to mess up the print. So we're just going to make sure that once we start, we just tear it off. And then right after, you want to stretch the material. Try to make sure that ink gets down into the little grooves. It'll actually help make the shirt a lot softer. Alright, and then there you have it. Put this back up. Alright. So there you have your picture. Right onto your shirt, stretches real nice, soft, looks pretty awesome. So, if you'd like to purchase light printable, we have it available at AnteUpGraphicSupply.com. You can just hit the description and I'll put a link in there for it. If you have any questions, put a comment or reach out to us and we'll answer all the questions that you need. But let me know what you think.